Welcome to day 25, Mexican Hat Dance. Make sure you look at the music for patterns. If you look at the first three measures and compare it to another three measures somewhere in the music, they are exactly the same. So practice smartly, practice surgically, practice what you need to practice, and so you don't over practice something. The second thing you need to look out for is the accented notes. Play the 4 sets of accented notes first, because there's usually one spot where people make a mistake. Would you be able to figure out where that might be? I'm going to play the melody the first time, the harmony the second time. Play along with me. I will give 1, 2, 3, 1, and then 2 counts of rest before you come in. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1. Harmony. 1, 2, 3, 1. Usually people make a mistake on the very last 2 notes because they assume it's going to be the same as the other 3, but they are different. So watch out for that. And the accents or the sideways V's, they just have a little bit more emphasis, more of a ta. It's kind of like a hit it strong and back down, almost like a decrescendo. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up or hit the accent button, as the boys say. Have a great day.